Hi all. Today we are going to see about a qualitative method, that's called case study and qualitative method. First, introduction to graduate, student and research unfair with the case study methodology. There is an often misunderstanding about what is a case study, how it is, and form of qualitative research. Case study is a form of qualitative description research that is used to look to individuals a small group of participants or a group of whole or this group of whole. This qualitative method of study emphasizes a detailed contextual analysis of a limited number of events or conditions and their relationships. Researchers have used the case study research method for many years across a variety of disciplines. A case study. It is a systematic inquiry into event or a set of related events which aims to describe explain a phenomenon in interest. It refers to the collections and presentations of detailed information about a particular or small group, frequently including accounts of subjects themselves. It is a depth of study of particular situation rather than sweeping statistical survey. Next, when is a case study appropriate? According to in 2003, a case study can be considered when the focus of the study is answer how and why questions. You cannot manipulate the behavior of those involved in the study. You want to cover contextual conditions because you believe that they are relevant to the phenomenon under study. The boundaries are not clear between the phenomenon and context. What may be really what that is what can be outcome of the case study. To the case study, researchers can closely examine the data with specific content. To the case study, a researcher can examine the contemporary real life situation and provide basis of application of ideas and extension methods. To the case study, a researcher can test theoretical models by using them in real world situations. A case study may not answer a question completely, but it will give some indications and allow further elaborations and hypotheses created on a subject. Why we need to use of case study? Case study are a great way to improve the learning experience because they get the learner involved and encourage immediate use of newly acquired skills. They differ from lectures assigning readings because they are required participation and deliberate application of a broader range of skills. Case studies help researchers to make a difference between knowing what to do and knowing how and when and why to do it. Case study application. Utilizing the case study teaching methods. Utilizing teaching method, a practical application of testing scholarly knowledge. It provides an approximation of various professional environments, that is classroom, boardroom, courtroom, or hospital. Incorporates that idea, the students can learn from one another by engaging with each other idea, by asserting something and then having it questioned, challenged and thrown back at them so they can be reflect on what they hear and then they refine what they say. It is said by Bower in 1990. Next, we are going to see about design of case study. To obtain a complete picture of participant as a possible, the case study researchers can employ a variety of a case study designs. Some common designs include single case design and multiple case design. A single case design when it is where events are limited to single occurrence. However, the drawback of this design is inability to provide a generalizing conclusion, in particular when the events are rare. Multiple case design. It can be adopted to real life events that show numerical sources of evidence to replication rather than sampling logic. Types of case study. The types of case study, first one is explanatory case study. This type of case study would be used if we are speaking answer a question that sought to explain in the presumed case links in real inventions that are too complex for survey of experimental strategy. Example, in 2002, Zoya analyzing web-based e-commerce learning and case study in Brazil. Indian Research 12, page number 305 to 317. Next, we are going to see exploratory case study. It is a type of case study which is used to explore the situation which is interested in being evaluation as no clear and single set of outcomes. Example is located on board of as observational case study of the development of the nurse-patient relationship. Clinical necessary trend, that is page number 275 to 294. Next, there are types of case study. Next we are going to see about the article called descriptive case study. This type of case study is used to describe intervention of phenomena on a real life context which has been occurred. Example, Talson Fleming's journal coping with menstruation. The understanding needs of women with Parkinson's diseases. Journal of Advanced Nursing of 4530 to 521. There is a multiple case study. It is helps research to explore difference within and between the cases. Examples Campbell and Athens. Innovative community services for rapid rape victims. An application of multiple case study methodology in American Journal for Community Psychology 26, page number 537 to 571. Next, we are going to see which intrinsic case study. The term intrinsic suggests that researchers who have genuine interest in case should be approached when they intend to better understand a case. It is not undertaken primarily because of the case, preference other cases, or because it illustrates a particular trait of problem, but because of this particularity of ordinates, the case becomes interest of it. Example, Elstrom Nolan, we do things together as a case study on couplehood in a dementia. Next, we are going to instrumental case study. It is used to accomplish something other into understanding a particular situation. It improves insights into an issue and helps to define a theory. Example, Luck Anusha 2007 stamp components of observation behavior that indicate a potential of patient violence in emergency department. Journal of Advanced Nursing, page number 59, journal 11 to 19. Hence, thank you for watching this video.